Mark. Back to my director Nina. Someone asked me to react on the Brewman from the place when you get tight, man. Open on down. It's not Tanun, chat. There, good delay. But he's a good rapper, Ubra. He's a very good rapper. In my church on and seeking notifications. Post the comment. Just Stuxy trenches. Deliba landa was Stuxy man. Wale good. What good was Stuxy le? Mazo ibe wandona up. There's the freestyle. There's the freestyle and funny on. Oh, I posted on your own. Is a baby on long. I comes long up. Stuxy. Timbala ride Stuxy trenches. I comes long up. Pigant. Oh, nansi yenza ngo-AI apha. Andithetha uStuxy qha. Let me do that. But nanku mos uStuxy. Andifuna shorts mos. Okay, hold on. Videos. Yeah, that's what I want. No, not this one. Not this one. And the relation in the trenches is 10 of you. Nance, man. When did he drop? When did he drop this? Stuxy featuring Laser Music. Let's go. Hold on, I know this, bro. Let me turn it up. Turn me up one time, chat. Let's see. I know he's gonna cook. I know he's gonna go crazy. Ooh. I know he's gonna go crazy for it. That's for sure. Hola, young boss. Molo shablingani porada. Shout out, my guy.
Never felt like that you know, bra, oops, my bell. If I have pictures and the people frame of Tongue because how come up on you just to see my channel?
Ima Stuxy unkubule pura. Hold on, him. Okay, let's go.
Never felt like that you know, bra, oops, my bell. If I have pictures and the people frame of Tongue because how come up on you just to see my channel again? Food on the next and summer twinging. Beneza bimondo, case closing and saying not attach his candies up. Siambeni sio feze kisepupa then so buye mpela veki. Upameno sazo kalela. Sit down repa mamela udopu Stuxy ngempela. Amagama ngawagibisela. Ifem zami zihambe nami zingangqithisela mina. Kabe ne picture steady yonke way lapha tayi shuto ngecamera isendela amachere kapha. Jona ngakudala saphose egadini media apha ikhangela apha kudala bephose ebhedini yadlala. Right my wave vakala 1000 usuku bonke ngimoshaya ikatara yadlala. Ngokuthula izimbi ngidala ngizocekelela apha kolisiba tayi never retire ngoba I spit fire like a dragon. Our mama's a cheesy bacon is a 20 buyha lendoda. Full claim the crowd, acting on the cloud. I do it for the culture, never for the cloud. School is kissing and I singing out. hali Beneplas walo feature yansayifuni kanzohlala basumile till the day phelinkuni qala ubakubi nakuni bekuthanda bengathandi njengetshova baniki folokho siye ngezandla singolova Mama Cheraki, I know uzokoloza ifavorite rapper yakho emuva isiqala uhamba uzogobhoza
Mama
Cheraki, I know uzokoloza ifavorite rapper yakho emuva I said we came from the trenches. We came from the mud, the Havana. We came from the jungle. Yeah. Spallikeli pound, Havana. We came from the trenches. We came from the mud, the Havana. We came from the jungle. Yeah. Spallikeli pound, Havana.
Shut up.
Mapandini utastuksi bachana myekeni kuchona nkhula nazo zendazi from emapekeni bulela manyango bese ngigcinile ngigcinela abazali bazowitnessa xa ngiwinile bulela umbale emini ifikile bengifonela unozala enringa ukuthi basaphilile ndathi siyaphila ngapha eKapa but in time akhanda ifumani biyogawule sapho maxa wonke run zami zinoliwe sike lami ixesha sami stop ngqwano loliwe ophuma imthube yami ngayikhetha kwangethuba abantu besathembiselana uthatha intshinga naphuthuma kakuthatha ixesha nokho izinto zashukuma it's too easy
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Fire. Fire chat, fire chat. Stux is one of those rappers where he decided he's gonna stay Glendo ayaziyo yabo. He if I can how can I put it in American terms? In America, most there are rappers, there are about future, and then there's about conscious rappers. I believe he's more into that bag, conscious rapper, because man, he can speed. I mean that first verse, he sent me too far. Thank you to Umjita who made Ubralo. Who's this bro? Umjita lo Uleza music. Shout out Genge Hook. Shout out. It's actually a nice song. It's actually a nice song. I fuck with it. I think he raps really good, Stux. He raps, especially when he's in this bag. Yeah, well, especially I wanna play this in a car now. Can leave by 18. Otherwise, shout out to Stux. He's beautiful, man. He's beautiful with the pen.